Did you know that nearly 60% of new mothers worry about whether their baby is getting enough milk while breastfeeding? You're not alone. It's a common concern, but the good news is, there are clear signs to look for. Hi, and welcome to Lazy Toddler Parenting, where we help you navigate the beautiful journey of parenthood with confidence and ease. In today's video, we'll explore how to tell if your baby is getting enough milk during breastfeeding. We'll walk you through the key signs to look for, so you can feed your little one with peace of mind. Many new moms face the challenge of ensuring their baby is adequately nourished, leading to anxiety and stress. Is my baby getting enough milk? Am I doing this right? These are questions every breastfeeding mom asks herself. But don't worry, you're doing better than you think. Let's explore the key indicators of sufficient milk intake. Weight gain. Regular weight gain is one of the most reliable signs. If your baby is gaining weight consistently, they're getting enough milk. Diaper output. A well-fed baby typically has 6 to 8 wet diapers and at least 3 dirty diapers per day. Keep an eye on this. Feeding cues. Watch for signs like relaxed hands, slow sucking, and turning away from the breast. These are great indicators that your baby is satisfied. But here's the most reassuring sign. A happy, content baby post-feeding is the clearest sign they're full. If they're calm, alert, and sleeping well, you're doing a fantastic job. And here's an expert tip. If you're worried about milk supply, try feeding more frequently, staying hydrated, and maintaining skin-to-skin contact. Your body is amazing. It naturally adjusts to meet your baby's needs. To wrap up, monitoring weight gain, diaper output, and your baby's feeding cues are essential steps to ensure they're getting enough milk. But most importantly, trust your instincts as a mother. You know your baby better than anyone else. Did you find these tips helpful? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Lazy Toddler Parenting for more helpful videos on newborn care and parenting tips. See you in the next one.